money anymore, these groups. All they do is change their name. And then they're into another good group, you know? And then it's getting more and more, so many.
And then our government will immediately fund them again with our tax money.